Jamaicans are inventors. We have two famous inventors, Thomas P. Lecky. In the field of agriculture, he developed a new breed of cattle that were specifically created to thrive in the Jamaican tropical condition. And we also have Professor Manley West and Dr. Albert Lockhart, who developed an eye drop called Canasol to treat glaucoma, which affects 3% of our Jamaican population. Also, in the early 1990s, Professor West developed a drug, Asthmasol, to treat asthma, colds, and also flu. Isn't that wonderful? We have all these hard working, creative men and women in our country that are doing so much good for the health and well-being of all.